Finally now to New York, which is getting ready to celebrate the newly crowned Women's World Cup champions. Tens of thousands of fans are expected to pack the streets to honor the team with a ticker tape parade starting in about half an hour. An open-top bus will transport the team along the route, and heaps of confetti will be showered on them along the route. The ticker tape parade is a New York tradition that dates back more than a century, and it's been bestowed on everyone from astronauts to world leaders and sporting teams, of course. And this will be the second such parade for the women's team after their 2015 victory.
They will also be honoured with symbolic keys to the city later in the day. The women's team has been hailed not just as dominant sportswomen, but champions for gender equality as well.
A Democrat lawmaker has introduced a bill to bar funding for the men's team until the U.S. Soccer Federation provides equal pay to the women as well.
Well, I think what you're going to see first and foremost is a lot of pride and young girls and young boys who have been really inspired by these women. And I hope inspired to treat everybody equally, equal pay for equal work. That seems like a pretty reasonable thing to ask for, if you ask me.